Let's get started with how to install WAMP in your localhost or PC. So for installing WAMP and then installing WordPress, we need to have WAMP software, WampServer. So for downloading WampServer, I have given this link into the description. So just click here and click on download button, and this will be downloaded automatically. After downloading it, we need to install it. So these are simple steps to install, just like other softwares by installing our PC. So this is just 1 2 3 and go. So after installing WAMP in your PC, you just need to go to here you will see this icon, and here you will see local server. So just click here and you will see local server. So after installing WAMP, you just need to click here and start all services. So it will make your PC as a mini server, or turn your PC into a server. So this is the first step for installing WordPress in WAMP. After that, you need to download the latest version of WordPress from wordpress.org/download. So this link is also provided into the description. So you just need to click on the link and download the latest version of WordPress. So I have already downloaded this here you can see I have downloaded this latest version in my PC. So after downloading this WordPress, you just need to copy this WordPress, and here I will copy this. Just copy this file, and after installing WAMP, you will have a www folder into WampWP. I give you the steps. I go back and just click on your PC and click on localhost, and then click on WAMP 64. You will may have only WAMP or 34 or 64. It may be different, but WAMP will be in the start of this. So just click here, double click here, and then click on www folder. Just click here, and here you will you need to paste the downloaded WordPress file. So I am going to paste this. Here you can see I have pasted it, and now I am going to extract. So just click here, extract here. So it will be extracted all the files here into the folder, and we will be able to install WordPress into our WAMP. So here you can see this is our WordPress extracted file. Just click the open here. So here you can see we have. So go back to www. So I will rename it to any name that we may have multiple WordPress installation into our WAMP. So I will rename it. So I will rename it redesign. So you can name it any name. So I am going to name it redesign. Okay. So I am going to name it redesign. So this folder, you just need to keep remember this folder. So just keep here and go back into the browser and just write here localhost / your folder name that I have written. So redesign is my folder name. Just click here and enter. After clicking on redesign, you can see we have installation setup. So in this setup, you can select any language. So I'm going to select English. So just click on continue. So here they are saying database name, database username, password, and so on. So just click here. Let's go. So here they need the PHP database name and username, password, and so let's start at technical point. This is just a bit technical point, and then installation will be done. So go back into this icon and just double click here, and here you will see here you will see an option for PHP MyAdmin. So here are two options, PHP MyAdmin 5 and 4.9. So I will access this PHP 5. So for creating a database, we need to access PHP MyAdmin. So just need to write localhost / PHP MyAdmin and just enter. So after entering, you will see this kind of username password. So in the username field, you just need to click write root, and password field should be empty, and just click on go. So in this step, we can create a database for our WordPress installation. So here I will click here for on the new to create a database. So just click here and write the database name. You can write any name for the database. I will write Z3 or Z styles or anything, any name that you can write for the database. And here you can see I have named this Z3 create. So this is my database name. That's it. We have created a database for our WordPress installation. So just go back, and here in the database name I will say Z3. In the username, its username was root, you remember, and in the password field it is empty. In the localhost, you can write two things, localhost, or write this 1.2.0.0.1. so this is, instead of localhost, you just need to write 127.0.0.1. so why you need to write this? So this will improve your website speed in localhost. So just submit. So here you can see alright, spicy, and just click on run installation. Here I will write the site title. I will write the site title. I can write any site title. So I will say website redesign. And in the username, this is the username for WordPress login. So I will write here username. So I will write for now admin. In the password field, I will say admin 123 at. So I confirm this. So in the localhost, you can use weak password normally, and in the email field I will write by email, and just click on install WordPress. So in this, by clicking this, installation will be completed. Here you can see the password is created and WordPress installed and successfully. And I will just log in this and just click here on the login. Here you can see if you logged out and wanna log in again, so you just need to access this URL localhost / your WordPress folder name / wplogin.php. so here my username is admin and my password is admin 123 at, and I see this here the password is right, and just click on login. Now you can see WordPress has been installed successfully into WAMP.